Here we are. Oh, the rain. The rain. Oh, the Tallbike. He's probably closer to the clouds than all of us. Colder, much wetter. Oh gosh. Oh! And disaster strikes. A shoelace has been compromised.
Hey, I'm Shirley from Team Tallbike, and we're out here today. It's starting to rain on us. We're about halfway through our training ride before our big ride on October 2nd. And as it's pouring rain, I'm just thinking about how privileged I am to be able to get on my bike today and ride. Even in the midst of bad weather, the wind and the rain, I can still safely come out and do this. And I do it because there are people who can't, who don't have the freedom to just hop on their bikes today and go out for a ride. We recognize that there are so many who are enslaved, who are taken advantage of, exploited, and abused. And so today we're riding. We rode last weekend and the weekend before and today, and we'll be riding again next weekend with the goal of being able to help make a difference in the lives of those who don't have the same privilege that I do today, don't have the same freedoms. So we're asking you, as we head towards this last few days of fundraising, we're asking you to partner with us. We'll do all the biking, but we need your help. Every dollar that you give to Team Tallbike helps as Ratanak works to fundraise to make a real difference in the lives of those in Cambodia, survivors of trafficking, to help bring them out of the hard places that they're in, to bring restoration, freedom, and hope. So partner with us. Consider it this week to be able to make a difference with us. Together we can bring real change in this world so that others can enjoy some of the same freedoms that we have today, like riding in the rain. Click on the link below and partner as we head forward into our ride for refuge. Thanks.
Well, we'd hope that the rain would die down a little bit, but no, we decided to get even harder.